Tired of booking a hotel only to find out it has no pool? Here is how to filter for pools on Expedia instantly. No more wasted time scrolling through hundreds of properties, only to get your hopes dashed at the last minute. By the end of this short walkthrough, you will go from aimless browsing to confidently booking a hotel with a pool in under a minute. So here is the plan. I will show you exactly where to click, from the Expedia homepage all the way to that amenity filter, so you never miss a pool again. This tutorial was put together using Double, a platform built for practical step-by-step guides, so you know these instructions have been tested and work. Alright, let us start. Open up your browser and head over to Expedia.com. That is the first thing you want to do. Just type it in or follow the link and you will be on the homepage in a second. Now, from the main navigation menu up at the top, go ahead and click on Stays. Not flights, not packages, Stays. This tells Expedia that you are looking for a place to sleep, which is the first step on our path to finding that pool. Great, so now that we have that set up, it is time to fill in your trip details. Enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests. Just click into each field and type it in. If you are bringing the whole family, make sure you get the guest count right so the results are accurate from the start. Once everything looks good, click that blue search button. This will pull up all the available hotels for your trip. This might take a moment to process, but just hang on a second. You are almost there. Now, pay attention to this one. On the results page, look for the filters section. It is usually right above the list of hotels, sometimes with a little funnel icon. You want to click on it to expand all the filtering options. This is where the real magic happens. Scroll down through the filter categories until you see the amenities section, and right there you will find an option labeled Pool. Go ahead and click that checkbox. Just like that, Expedia will instantly refresh your results and show you only the hotels that have a pool. No more guessing, no more disappointment. Take a moment now to review the filtered results. You should see a whole list of properties that come with a swimming pool. This is your new curated list of options. Pretty satisfying, right? But here is the thing. Do not just book the first one you see. Click on a hotel that catches your eye to check the pool details before you commit. Sometimes a hotel lists a pool, but it might be a small indoor one or it might be closed for the season. Open up the property page and read the descriptions or look at the photos. Look for words like outdoor pool, children's pool, or lap pool. That final check ensures you are getting exactly what you are expecting, and that is really all there is to it. You now know how to quickly filter for hotels with a pool on Expedia. No more wasted hours and no more pool list surprises. Go ahead and try it out for your next trip and enjoy that swim. Happy travels.